This video is for whoever thinks speaking English clearly without any fear is not easy. And it is something that only a few people around us can do. It's for those who believe that memorizing or following those grammatical rules will enable you to speak this language fluently or without any fear. That's not really the case. And there is a downright scam that we have been after for many, many years. First thing you have to avoid is worshipping those notorious grammatical rules. And the second thing is you will have to practice consistently, or I would say regularly. So let's forget about grammatical rules. Just focus on what matters. You have to be able to speak without any fear, fluently, without having to think actively about those grammatical rules while you are speaking. I think that is key. So happy practicing English and happy practicing how to speak naturally without hesitation and fluently. Thank you all.